2022 of MLAH Asia and Asia Health 2022, bringing the world of healthcare medical laboratory together across the ASEAN region. What an action-packed day it has been. Let's have a look on the highlight of day 2. MLAH Asia and Asia Health 2022 kicked off with a great response from the industry. 8 CME, CMTE, CNEU, CPD, accredited conferences and 2 business talks with topics like clinical microbiology, COVID-19 updates, doing healthcare business in Thailand and more. Meanwhile, live presentation by leading healthcare companies happening today. Medical landscape and innovations from Poland by Polish Investment and Trade Agency. Driving precision health, the rise of molecular diagnostics, Sansure. You can get all the exhibitor-related details on our digital show planner that is available for download on the show website MLAH Asia and Asia Health 2022. If you arrive and feel lost on the show floor, we have a simple solution. Download the app and navigate your way easily around the exhibition with a live digital floor plan.
Yes, of course, it's my first time to visit here in Expo, and we want to see a new dealers, new companies from Indonesia, Bangkok, and around the world.
Really excited to be here at MLAH Asia. Have had a really amazing time and really looking forward to coming back next year in 2023.
We're very excited to be here. It's been a long 2-year wait since we were last able to come, so it's very good to come and see a lot of our distribution partners and customers in the region again face to face.
We will back again tomorrow for day 3 of MLAH Asia and Asia Health 2022. Stay up to date on the latest show news on the website MLAH Asia and Asia Health 2022 and social channels.